I gave you two handouts. As you can see, we're going to dive into a lot more geometries. We're going to talk about the different shapes, two-dimensional graph. Some of the math ed classes also do three-dimensional graphs, so that make it a lot harder actually. We need to be able to convert some of the units, sometimes change to feet to miles or meter to feet. Those would be on the exam. And also how to convert like temperature, different units. America is the very few country using like inches, and so it's very confusing actually, because the metric system is just basing on 10, so everything is like 10 to the next power, but not in the US. So US has a much more complex system. For the next 10 minutes, I want to talk about two things that may help a little bit with the new homework, but not the whole thing. One of the handouts that I have for you is the two-dimensional graph. So for the two-dimensional graph, two things I want you to focus a little bit more is going to be the different kind of triangle. So on your white color handout, on the second page, it talks about triangles. Some of the homework question will ask you about those triangles. So the first time we are focusing on, everybody found that part? On the back of the first page, it talk about triangle. So the first time we are focusing on the difference of the size. On the back of the first page, equilateral triangle means what? The triangle with all of the sides are the same. So if you sketch one, just do the best you can. All the sides should be the same, right? If all the sides are the same, I'm going to say A, B, C here, meaning the line segment AB should equal to line segment BC and AC. And because all the sides are the same, so the angle should also be the same. 1, 2, and 3. Angle 1 should equal to angle 2 should equal to angle 3. All of them should be how many degree? How did you know that? Because the inner angle add up to 180 degree, right? If I divide 3, it should be 60 degree. Agree? Okay. The next one is isosceles triangle, so you may need to practice the spelling of them also, okay? The isosceles triangle means what? You have a triangle with two sides are the same, so A, B, C on here, which one equal to what? Line segments A, AB and AC should be the same. Because of that, which two, if I have this is 1, 2, and 3 again, then which angle should be the same? Angle 1 and angle 3. How do I tell? Yeah, and they are the base angle and they're facing the congruent sides, okay? Base angles of the isosceles triangle are the same. For equilateral triangle, all angles are the same. Okay, for the next one, it's called scalene triangle, so I don't think you hear that a lot. What does that mean? It means, okay, so scalene triangle means none of the sides should be the same. I can do maybe something like that. A, B, C, I can say line segment AB does not equal to line segment BC, does not equal to line segment AC. Because of that, none of those angles should be the same either, right? Questions? The first three triangle, we talk about the side. This next three is about the angles. Let's finish this page if we stop. We have wide triangles, we have acute triangle and obtuse triangle. So how are they different? The wide triangle should have one angle should be 90 degree. I can call this ABC, and then angle ABC equal to 90 degree, which is a wide angle, right? How about a cube triangle? All of the angles should be less than 90 degree. I'm gonna just be safe and choose an equilateral one. So this one, obviously, all of the angle are less than 90 degrees, right?
So all three angles will be acute angles that make an acute triangle. All three angles are acute angles. Next is obtuse triangle. So that kind of triangle have one angle that is an obtuse angle, meaning one of the angle need to be more than 90 degree.
Angle ABC is greater than 90 degrees, which is an obtuse angle, right? Is that okay? We have talked about in the past, if we have a triangle, the sum of the inner angle should equal to what? 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. The inner angle of triangle equal to 180 degrees sum of. I don't have time to do that today, but maybe next time we can have an actual triangle. If we cut out all the angles and line them together, say this is angle 1, this is angle 2, and then this is angle 3, it should form a straight line of a 180 degree angle. So we can actually cut our triangle to form that, okay? Don't forget what we need to do on Monday. Quiz over what? Geometry.